Very good afternoon. So, today I am going to teach about Fink's classification. I have taken this from page 35 of the book of Briggs. Today on 16th of November, I am going to take this class. I would like to tell that during my ME course in Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, my teacher, Professor R.S. Yadav, had delivered this lecture, and in such a nice manner that lecture was delivered. You will never get all the things which are being, that means I am going to tell anywhere in any book. Okay. So this lecture is attributed, or I am dedicating this lecture to my teacher, Dr. R.S. Yadav, who is still professor over there. So page 35 Briggs. From here I am taking this, and I have told that there are three classification schemes. First is Flynn's classification scheme. Second is Fink's classification scheme. Third is Handler's classification scheme. There is separate YouTube video I have uploaded for Flynn's classification scheme. Flynn's classification scheme is most popular. Second, in this, that means slightly less popular scheme is Fink's classification scheme, and Handler's classification is least popular. So we are going to deal with Fink's classification scheme. This was given by the scientist Fink in the year 1972. All right. So this scheme is based on degree of parallelism. First of all, you should know this is based on degree of parallelism. Okay. So degree of parallelism means number of bits that can be processed in unit time. Number of bits that can be processed in unit time is called degree of parallelism. So let us introduce a new factor, new term, that is called utilization rate. Mu, denoted as mu. This is given by average degree of parallelism. I am writing DOP here, denoted as PA, divided by maximum degree of parallelism, DOP, denoted as only P. Okay. So let us see what is PA and what is P. So average degree of parallelism, PA, is given by the formula 1 upon T, sigma. I is varying from 1 to I is varying from up to T, and Pi. Okay, where T is maximum number of clock cycles. Okay, T is maximum number of clock cycles. And Pi is number of bits that can be processed in that cycle. That means Pi means Pi number of bits can be processed in ith cycle. Okay. Now P किसमें होता है? मैक्सिमम डिग्री ऑफ पैरेललिज्म P is given by the formula Mn. Now what is M and what is N? M is bit slice length and N is word length. Okay. Now what is bit slice length? Bit slice length, what is bit slice? So a string of bits taken from all the words of same vertical position is called bit slice. For example, this is word 1, this is word 2, okay, and like this is word N. Suppose first bit, this is first bit of first word, first bit of second word, etc. So you combine all these bits together, this is first bit slice. Clear? Similarly, this will be second bit slice. Clear? Bit slice is a string of bits from all words at same vertical position. So now suppose we plot M on y-axis. You can think M should be on x-axis. No. M is on y-axis, N is on y-axis, N is on x-axis. Suppose we plot like this. That means we plot N word length on x-axis, right? And M, that means bit slice length on y-axis. Clear? Then suppose M is equal to 1, N is equal to 1. This is one situation. In this case, it will be called, I am writing here WSBS. I will tell further. Word serial, bit serial. This is one class of computer. Second class is, I am drawing here. You see, N is greater than 1, but M is equal to 1. This is called word serial bit parallel type of computer. Clear? Here if you take, that means M is greater than 1 but N is equal to 1. This will be called word parallel bit, word serial bit parallel, word parallel bit serial, word parallel bit parallel are the 4 types of computers. Example of word serial bit serial is Minima, MINIMA. This is a name of computer. Minima 1 1, where this one is denoting what? N. This is denoting what? M. Okay. This is one computer. I am giving one example of each category, not more than one. Word serial bit parallel, BURROUGH, Burrough 7700. dimension is 48 1. That means value of m is 48, n is 1. This is one computer of this category. Word parallel bit serial DAP DAP 14096. In book of bricks you will find more than one examples. In order to simplify, I am giving only one example. So this is, and in this category I am giving two examples, CMNP 1616, and second computer of word parallel bit parallel is what is called T1ASC. Okay, T1ASC, this is the name of computer, and dimension is 6432, like this, where 64 is word length, 32 is bit slice length. That means in T1ASC computer each word is 64 bits long, and in this type of in T1ASC computer there are 4 arithmetic pipelines. I will teach you further what is pipeline. You can go through my YouTube lecture on pipeline also. And there are 4 arithmetic pipelines, each pipeline of 8 stages. You will see it further. If there are 4 pipelines, each of 8 stages, that means 32 bits are being processed together. Therefore, dimension is 6432. Clear? So, out of all these, word serial, bit serial is just like SISD of Flynn's classification. This is simplest type of computer, but capacity wise also this is very, that means little in capacity. Word parallel, bit parallel is fully parallel computer. Okay, one thing more I had forgotten. Suppose utilization factor mu is 1. Then this means PA is equal to P. That means if utilization factor is 1 or 100%, then average degree of parallelism and maximum degree of parallelism are equal. That means computer and all the processors are fully utilized. Okay, so this is all about this. Now I am going to show with the help of PPT also the same thing. Classification is given by the scientist Feng in the year 1972. This is based on degree of parallelism. Number of bits that can be processed in unit time is called degree of parallelism. Utilization rate mu is given by the formula average degree of parallelism PA upon maximum degree of parallelism P. Mu is equal to PA upon P. If mu is equal to 1 or 100%, then PA is equal to P. And this is, that means computing power of all processors is fully utilized. I told you. And average parallelism PA is given by the formula 1 upon T, where I is varying from 1 to T, and Pi is the maximum number of bits that can be processed in ith clock cycle, and T is the number of clock cycles I had told you. T is the maximum number of clock cycles. Pi is Pi number of bits can be processed in ith clock cycle. For example, P1 means P1 number of bits can be processed in first clock cycle. P2 means P2 number of bits can be processed in second clock cycle. So P1 means P1 number of bits can be processed in first clock cycle. P2 means P2 number of bits can be processed in second cycle, etc. So maximum degree of parallelism P of a computer C. So sometimes you can see PC. So don't bother. PC is same as P, which I told. Sometimes we write P in bracket C. C means a particular computer, doesn't matter. So you can write here P, that is also correct. P is equal to Mn, where M is bit slice length and N is word length. and bit slice is a string of bits taken from all words of same vertical position, which I told. This is first word, second word, etc. This is first bit slice, this is second bit slice. And if m is on y-axis, x is on y-x, and n is on x-axis, m is on y-axis, then here m and n both are equal to 1. That means this is word serial, bit serial. Here n is greater than 1 and m is equal to 1, word parallel, bit serial. Here n is equal to 1, m is greater than 1. You can see from graph, word parallel, bit serial, and this is m and n both are greater than 1, word parallel, bit parallel. This is fully parallel computer, and these are the examples. Accordingly, computers can be classified as word serial, bit serial, word serial, bit parallel, word parallel, bit serial, word parallel, bit parallel. So, as I told, word serial, bit serial is a slow process. Word serial, bit serial was done in first generation computers. In word serial, bit serial, one bit is processed at a time. That means word length and bit length, bit slice length both are 1. One word is there of length 1. Second word, all the words are of length 1. So in this way, word serial, bit serial example, computer is minima 1 1. This is the name of a computer. Don't confuse. Word serial, bit parallel, Burrough 7748 1 means bit slice length 48 and 1 is word length. And DAP 14096 word parallel, bit serial. Under this category, C.MNP is one computer, another is T1ASC of 6432. That means word length of 64 words, and there are 4 arithmetic lines, pipelines, 4 pipelines, each of 8 stages. I will teach afterwards what is pipeline, but still you can go through my lecture. Therefore, 8 into 4, 32 bits are processed at one time, and therefore T1ASC will be represented on graph as 6432. Okay? I think it is clear now, and you can download this lecture from YouTube. You can go in description and you can download it. Okay? Thank you very much.